What a wonderful day today.
Yeah, perfect day for learning.
Meow.
Did you hear it?
Oh, maybe it's a baby kitten. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Where are you? Come here, baby.
Fluttershy, Fluttershy.
It's not funny.
It's getting dark.
Meow.
This cat again. Fluttershy, cat. Where are you guys?
Meow. Twilight, look, I got a doggy.
Wow, wow. Hi everyone, Paper, Scissors and Magic is here, and today we are gonna make two really spooky costumes. I hope you like it, so let's get started. We are having this gorgeous Fluttershy figure for cartoon cat costume. First, we should cut off all the pony's hair. I always feel uncomfortable cutting off ponies' tails and manes, but we absolutely have to do it for our costume. I left as little hair as possible, and now I'm gonna use some air-dry clay, smoothing it out with my fingers. This looks pretty awesome, and now we can start painting our pony black. I really love working with black color because it covers everything really easily and we don't have to put as many layers as usual. And I just realized that I forgot to remove the eyes, so I'm doing it using nail polish remover. Now I'm gonna work with white paint. So I'm drawing the base of the eyes. They are supposed to be really big and scary. And I'm also drawing white gloves on the front hooves. It took about 4 layers to cover it properly. I'm also painting the head black, trying to be really careful about the eyes area. Now, when the pony is all covered, we are drawing pupils. They are super easy and don't take a long time to draw. I'm adding some extra details to the gloves and ears. I want to make the gloves to look more real, so I'm taking a bit of white clay, making some caterpillar shape and then sticking it around the hoof. I'm drawing a small cute gray nose and a big white smile. Then added in some pink for gums and a straight line all across the mouth. Let's make one more caterpillar shape, pink this time. And I'm attaching it all around the mouth. I made a really simple tail and I just glued it to the body. And one more thing, I printed this cute cat for the cutie mark. It's done! Rainbow Dash is gonna be turned into a cartoon dog, and as usual we start from removing the hair, cutting them really short. And then we are gonna get rid of these cute sweet wings. I'm sorry Rainbow, but dogs cannot fly. Polishing a little bit and then smoothing out the head area. We also should cut the ears, not very short though. This will be enough. And then I'm forming nice doggy's ears with a bit of air dry clay. Oh, she looks so funny and cute! Cartoon dog has a pretty long muzzle and a big nose, so I'm forming them, smoothing everything out with my fingers. Time to paint our doggy black, and it takes about 2 layers to do it. The eyes and the mouth are gonna be very similar to what we've already drawn for Cartoon Cat. I'm drawing the white base and then the gloves. The gloves are on Cartoon's dog hind legs. And now we are ready to add the details like pupils, dots on the gloves, predatory red gums, and a straight black line all across the mouth. Then I'm making 2 white spaghetti shapes for the gloves. And 1 thin red spaghetti for the mouth. And a small cute black tail for greeting strangers on the streets. I printed some spooky ghost for a cutie mark, and now I just should glue it to the body. This is it guys, I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time with new pony customs.